So for today's tutorial, we will be using color number 3031, and this is called Make It Rain. For this look, we are going to be using a form called a dual form, and that's what it looks like. The cool thing about these forms is you can make your nail right here on the plastic tip, and then we are going to apply this to your client's nail. So to begin, I have already sanitized my hands as well as my client's hands. I've pushed back her cuticles, and I've also prepped the nail for acrylic application. But we're gonna go ahead and leave her finger alone for now, and we are going to be working with the nail tip. So you're gonna load your brush with monomer, and you're gonna pick up your first bead, and this bead is going to be a thin consistency, and you're going to want to do a medium to small bead. So you're gonna apply that into the form, and this is making your free edge, and then you're gonna pull it towards the cuticle area. When doing this in a salon setting or working on your own nails, it's really helpful to size the tips to your client's fingers, do all 10 of them, then you can design all 10 tips and have them waiting for your client. So as the acrylic in my dual form is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my dehydrator and my primer. So now that we have our form filled and ready to go and it's nice and dry, we're going to add a very thin layer of acrylic right here where it is going to touch the nail plate, and this is going to adhere the nail to the natural nail plate. So after you waited for enough time and you think that the nail is sufficiently adhered to the natural nail plate, you want to wiggle the form back and forth, and you're gonna feel a little pop. And all you have to do is lift it off, and you have that perfectly shiny acrylic nail. So now we're just gonna do some minimal filing just to give this nail some shape. Now, if you wanted to add any nail art to this, that's perfectly fine. If you wanted to leave it just as is, that's the beauty of the dual forms. It leaves a beautiful shiny surface. That way there is no need for a top coat. So now to finish off this look, I'm going to be using the Nourish oil from KiaraSky, and I'm going to apply that to the cuticle area. So I hope you guys have just as much fun as I do with dual forms. We'd love to see what you guys create with this technique, so don't forget to tag us on Instagram. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!